There's been a few things in between since the last clip, but what we want to know now is how good is this PC? So as you can see, here we are. If we go to Task Manager, we can see the Threadripper 7980X 64 cores. Look at all of these threads there. Loads of things going on. Memory, 128 gigs, 4 slots, 6400 mega transfers per second, our 2 SSDs. We've got the Intel Arc GPU and the Radeon 7900 XTX there as well. So let's open up the hardware monitor and see how good is the CPU in just Cinebench, okay? So here we go. Are you ready for this? Multi-core, boom. Look at that. We completed the multi-core, pulled 350 watts, peaked at 62 degrees. The fans didn't even ramp up because it was so fast. And we scored just 5,000 points shy off 100,000 points. That's absolutely insane. Let's go one more time.